The Grom UAV first unveiled in 2020, the Grom UAV has undergone a dramatic transformation. Initially modeled with a focus on stealth, the new design abandons low observability in favor of raw speed and lethality with its crop delta wing vertical fin and horizontal stabilizers. The Grom draws clear inspiration from Cold War-era aircraft, but don't let its retro look fool you, this drone is anything but outdated. The Grom is built to operate in close coordination with Russia's top fighter jets, the Su-35 and Su-57. In this role as a loyal wingman, it will fly ahead of these manned aircraft, drawing enemy fire, exposing air defenses, and clearing the path for a decisive strike. Its conventional engine, a departure from the flat nozzle engines seen in stealthier designs, allows it to reach speeds of up to 1,000 km per hour, ensuring it can keep up with its manned counterparts in the heat of battle. The Grom UAV isn't just fast, it's also heavily armed with an internal weapons bay and 4 underwing pylons. It can carry a deadly payload of guided and unguided bombs, anti-radiation missiles, and the formidable ISDA-85 guided missile capable of operating at altitudes up to 12,000 meters and with a range of 700 kilometers. This UAV can strike targets deep behind enemy lines. Interestingly, the Grom's design echoes that of earlier drones like the Tu-141 and Tu-143, workhorses of a bygone era. Yet, with the lessons learned from recent conflicts, especially in Ukraine, the Grom has been refined into a tool for modern warfare, one that prioritizes speed, precision, and the ability to operate alongside cutting-edge fighters. But what really sets the Grom apart is its role in air defense suppression and reconnaissance. Picture this: the Grom, leading a formation of Russian aircraft, suddenly comes under fire from hidden enemy air defenses, but instead of retreating, it charges ahead, forcing those defenses to reveal their positions, which are then swiftly eliminated by its manned companions. This is the brutal efficiency of manned-unmanned teaming in action. As the skies grow more contested, the Grom UAV is poised to be a key player in Russia's aerial dominance strategy. It's fast, it's lethal, and it's ready to reshape the battlefield. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this formidable drone's capabilities and what it means for the future of air combat. This is Thunder Grom, and its roar is just beginning.